How to change shop tabs in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to see different options available. Simply tap on layout. So this is the section where you can customize the layout of your gameplay. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option called shop tabs. So here you can choose left or right. So as you can see, there will be some transformation. So it's according to your preference which you want to choose. So for some players it's set to left and it is the default one, but if you want to keep it right, you can choose that. Now if you go back, it will be saved in the game too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.